Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Want to do which university series girl are you trend? So let's start. First click the link given in the description to get into this page. Now enter your name and start playing the quiz. And answer all the 11 questions one by one. Now take a screenshot of this page. Now open any editing application. I use CapCut. Go to New Project and add your photo and a screenshot. Now set format 9:16. Adjust photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to the duration of 6.4 seconds and 6.9 seconds. Now add text. Now apply text layer till the first photo. Now select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.